How to remove free mode on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you on that, so let's just get started. As you can see on my screen at the very top, there is an option called basic mode, which is free mode. So if you would like to turn it off, you may head over to your device's Facebook application first. Once you are in the Facebook application, you need to head over and go over to the menu, which is in the top right. And from there, you may head over, look out for settings, drop down settings and privacy. And there, you need to look out for the option of that mobile carrier. So you need to look out for that option called mobile carrier or mobile center. Specific look out for that option. And there, when you go ahead and find that option, you can turn it off. Right now, I do not have that option. But if you have that, for example, let's say mobile data users, we can find this option called find Wi-Fi right now. But if you're using mobile data, you will be finding option of mobile data, find Wi-Fi, find mobile data. So free mode is a feature offered by mobile carriers, not a Facebook setting. This is not a direct switch within the Facebook app to turn this off. Once you option out, you will likely start using a regular data plan for Facebook. That is how you use free mode on Facebook. So you can follow up this method. You can select only Wi-Fi only, or you can select this option of data saver. That will also kind of help you remove free mode on Facebook. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.